Hello everyone! In this video, we're going to talk about why does PayPal hold your money and how to avoid it. So if you're interested, please go ahead and like and share this video so it could reach more people. And let's get started. PayPal is a convenient platform for small business owners to collect payments for their goods and services in a secure manner. Sometimes, PayPal will put funds on hold for up to 21 days to ensure there is enough money in your account should any issues arise with the order. There are several reasons why a payment may be on hold and ways for sellers to expedite the release of funds. So here's everything you need to know. First, let's talk about why does PayPal put payments on hold. PayPal notes that the company puts payments on hold to help ensure that the platform is safe and secure for both buyers and sellers. Although the money belongs to you, PayPal will temporarily keep you from accessing it to make sure there's enough money in your account to resolve issues like chargebacks or disputes. Funds are released when the buyer confirms that they received the item they ordered in the condition that was advertised. Some specific reasons why your payment might be on hold includes: first, your PayPal account has been inactive, or the payment you received is unusual for a typical selling pattern. Also, PayPal found an unusual change in selling price for a particular transaction, or you're selling an item that customers may be dissatisfied with, or you've only recently started selling items outside of eBay. So, why is my payment on hold? There are a number of reasons for why funds can be placed on hold, including you're new to selling. New sellers need to build up their buyer-seller credibility and history. Once you've established a successful transaction record, your status can change. Next, you haven't sold anything in a long time. Similar to being a first-time seller, if you haven't sold an item in a while, you'll need to rebuild your credibility. Next, customers filed former complaints for refund, dispute, or chargeback. If you've been flagged by multiple customers for various issues, PayPal may delay the availability of your funds. According to PayPal, the best way to remedy this is to work directly with buyers to ensure that issues are resolved as quickly as possible. To prevent complaints, be upfront about shipping costs, item condition, and return policy. You can also set up a customer service message to let customers know if an extreme incident, like a natural disaster in your area, is preventing you from shipping on time. Next, you have a suspicious selling pattern. PayPal will flag an account that has unusual activity, including a higher than normal selling pattern or a distinct change in the type of item sold. Next, you're selling riskier items. Examples of these kinds of items include tickets, gift cards, consumer electronics, computers, and travel packages. Anything that is more expensive or event-related could be flagged. So now, let's talk about how to prevent the delay of funds on PayPal. To make sure your money doesn't get put on hold, try following these tips. Number 1. Check your email. Review the email sent from PayPal with the subject line, "An important message about your PayPal balance," as well as alert located in your account overview page. It will include information about why your funds aren't available and what you can do to avoid this in the future. Number 2. Post real photos. Prevent refunds and disputes and chargebacks from buyers by posting real photos of the items you're selling. Include detailed and accurate descriptions, being transparent about shipping and handling times, costs, and methods, processing orders promptly, packing items with care so they arrive in good condition, and being clear on your return policy up front. And lastly, number 3. Provide customer service. Do your best to communicate with and help your customers when they reach out. If you have a buyer dispute, work to resolve it as soon as possible. And here's a quick tip. If you need further assistance, you can contact PayPal customer service via chat or phone call. And there you have it. Why does PayPal hold your money and how to avoid it? I hope you find this video helpful. And if it did, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click on the notification bell so you'll be updated on our daily videos. And before this video ends,
have you ever got your Facebook ad account banned for no reason? Unable to run campaigns and have limited outreach campaigns for clients? Can't post in groups and forums? And are you tired of all the logging in and out and OTPs all day? And want to work with your team but you can't? Well, for all this trouble running marketing campaigns, we have the perfect solution for you. Introducing the ultimate multi-login, multi-account, and anti-detect marketers browser, Logi Browser, the growth hacker's favorite browser. With Logi Browser, you can run multiple ad accounts, multi-account social media, blogs, and group marketing campaigns while keeping your accounts safe. So if you're going to be an internet marketer, if you're a growth hacker, or if you're running an agency or any kind of ad accounts, this product is absolutely vital for you. So go ahead and try it out. Just go to logi.in. And that is it for today's video. Thanks for watching and see you on the next one.